Hello crafters, today I'm very excited because I'm going to be showing you what I got on my holidays in France. So I also have some footage for you after of a art shop in Paris, Rougier, and hopefully I can show you the footage at the end of the video. So I got stuff in two shops. One is actually I'll tell you all about it, and the other one is actually a mail order shop, and it's an online shop as well, I think. I'll link it down below, and I'm just going to show you all of that. So if that sounds fun, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. So the first thing I actually got was a set of water brushes, and even though I have like 5 water brushes, only 3 of them actually work, so like this was totally justified. So this is a set of water brushes. You get a very big one, you get a pretty average length one, and you get a small one, which is adorable, and I'm definitely using a lot. I already used them. They don't come tinted like this. I already used them with my watercolors that I bought, but I'll show you that later. And they're very good water brushes, I have to say. Never met a bad water brush, except maybe these ones, but that's another video. And these were €10, which is €3 per water brush, which is actually very good. Normally they're like €6 each, again depending on brand and everything, but they're very good, and there's a steady stream of water, and it doesn't come out in like one big blob, which is very good, especially for like fine detail work. So yeah, over the moon with them. And yeah. And what I used my water brushes with was this set of watercolors, even though I do have this set of watercolors that is pretty much full, let's be honest. I got it maybe like 3 months ago, and I used quite a lot of it, so I thought this is again totally justified. And this was a tenner, €10, which for a watercolor set is very good. And it's from Van Gogh, the quality brand, or Royal Talens. I never really heard of them, but then again, I don't really delve into watercolor that much. So yeah, these are all the colors you get. And actually, how many? Okay, yeah, these are all the colors you get, and there's also 3 colors free. So you get 15 colors in total. So there's a lot of space for mixing, and the pans can be popped out, and you also get a little brush. So again, I already used them, and then it opens like this. Something I have to say about the closure is everything has to be really in its place so it closes, or else it kind of tends to open. But that's probably only a problem for me, I mean, let's be honest. And you get this little brush. I haven't used it yet because I don't want to ruin the end, and again I was using my water brushes, so you can take it off and then it goes into here, and it's a little brush. And I love watercolor sets and how inventive they are with their space, so that just made me so happy. You have some mixing space here, and then you have the colors up here, and so these are all the colors you get. I'm just going to put it against some white. So you can see all the colors you get. And I really would recommend not throwing this away, because for myself, sometimes like the really dark colors, I'm not sure if it's like green or purple or brown, so it's kind of good to have this. I will be swatching these out, but I just didn't have the paper on holidays to kind of do it. These pans do pop out, and they were popping out all over the place, but of course I've stuck them back in, and now they're not popping out at all. So, but they do pop out, which is good. And you get a lot of different colours, which is good. You get a lot of greens, blues and browns, but there's no grey, which is, I guess you can mix it, but grey is probably my most used colour. And there's no peach as well. This kind of makes it's like a really tanned skin, and most people in Ireland at least are like not tanned, so you kind of have to mix it. And I don't really like mixing because it kind of ruins it, but that's just myself. And I'm definitely going to be doing a review on it in probably a few months, or God knows when it'll come out. So definitely stay tuned for that and subscribe. Next, for Christmas this time, I was looking for a wreath die set, and Altenew has one, but I haven't been really doing any online orders, and it's the only way I can get it. So I was looking in the shop for a wreath set, and I was just about to go, and then I saw they had this sale section, So I went over to it, I flicked through, and then I found this. It actually didn't have any thing on the one put that on. And it was 80% off. So it was $20.50 down to like $4 something. And I was like, I'm sold, I'm taking it. I was over the moon. I got like, I wouldn't have paid €20 for it, but €4 definitely worth it. And the way I'm planning to use this is to die cut a circle and a circle into it, and then die cut these out and then stick them onto the circles to make a wreath, you know what I mean? And I actually have a lot of green paper that I got for free, so I'm going to use that. So you get lots of these different leaves. They look very like piney, which is lovely, and this one, and you get a pine cone, and you get the little berries, and can't wait to use it. I'm definitely going to be making a card with that, so stay tuned for my Christmas card series, which might be starting in like a month, or maybe 2 months. Okay, the dice just fell. They're fine, they're dice. So, last thing I got at that shop was this. I've been looking for a background stamp for so long. And I think this is the one I really like. I really love it. Even though I have so much pattern paper, but look, I got it and I'm really glad I did. This was €12, which is kind of expensive for a stamp. At the same time, I'm going to use it for like the rest of like card making journey. So, my life. And yeah, I really like it. My mom also really likes it, which is a big thing for me. So it's this kind of oriental inspired one, and yeah, I can't wait to use it. I'm going to be making a video soon with like 5 ways to use background stamps or 5 background stamp techniques. So can't wait to use that, and it's obviously from Crafts Creativity, so it's a very good brand and everything. It comes in a little storage container. I'm not using that, but look, it's good to store it in. So yeah, I think that's really it for now. I'm going to get my next stuff ready, the mail order stuff, so stay tuned. So I'm back with my little Boutinette order, and Boutinette is actually a website and a mail order kind of craft business. They've lots of different wools and fabrics and obviously craft supplies, and they've some card making supplies as well. I'll link them down below, and I think they're based, the catalogue said they was based in like France, but these are like in Germany. This came from Germany, so I don't know, I got it anyway, so that's all that really matters. And everything's in German, I don't know, anyway, it's fine. So anyway, the first thing I got was from Viva Decor, and this is actually obviously a Christmas stamp set, a kind of a Christmas village stamp set. I'm going to take this off, and yeah, so you can see the little Christmas village, and this is again for my Christmas card series that I will be starting, I don't know, probably making them in about a month or so. So you obviously get the little snowman, I think he's adorable, and you get the village so you can kind of make it together, so, and the snowflakes, which is lovely as well. So I got that. And the next thing I got is this, and I actually don't remember, no, like, I think they gave me something a bit different, but look, anyway, I love it. I'm very happy with it anyway, so I'm not exactly complaining, but it's a bit weird. So, there's these stickers on it. I don't know what it means, honestly. So, it's this thing I got was all the same size and shape of Christmas trees, but this is a bit different, so it's kind of nice. So this is obviously Christmas trees, and you get a lovely snowflake. Can't wait to use that on, again, my Christmas cards. And next is this little angel and this little snowman that I can again use on Christmas cards and stuff. So I might do like a gold thing for the angel, and maybe like a scene made with these for the snowman. And last thing is actually these snowflake dies, and I've always kind of wanted snowflake dies, I don't know, so this is going to be very interesting to see what I do with it and how it turns out. Can't wait to make it and see how it turns out, really. Is this made by Boutinette? I'm not even sure. So yeah, and these are the other dies they have in this selection. I definitely got my favourite. So that's all for today. If you like this holiday haul, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more content and my Christmas card series and those reviews, and thanks so much for watching, and bye!